MoveStrong was developed out of the need for this style of training that we label as functional, which to me is real life strength training, getting strong to move in all directions. This has been dubbed the NinjaFit Obstacle Course Training Room. This is our MoveStrong in-service functional training. We want you to be able to touch, feel, try, get a sense of what this is all about so you can better in turn explain this to your customers and help build the excitement and get people in here using the equipment in this awesome room you have here. It's moving the way the body was intended to move. It's building real life strength. And so there's no better way to learn than to actually do it yourself. We don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing.